Esta carretera es asfalto normal de 2 líneas. Y ahorita voy a ver. Acabamos de hacer la primera limpieza este último viernes, sábado y hoy domingo. Okay, we spent 3 days cleaning. My wonderful wife and myself. So there's room here, Jarrell and Lewis, just right here in what I call my driveway. Okay, there's enough room for me and my motorhome, Jarrell and your house, and Lewis and whatever rig he buys. All of us could be parked very comfortably, okay, with plenty of room to pull out and everything, just right here in what I call our driveway. Okay, these mounds are going to be gone. Estos montes de tierra son para la gente que cuidan aquí. La carretera está toda carretera de tierra. This is a dirt road, sand road, and it's all taken care of by some local guys. I think people pitch in. Okay, that's going into my property. Aquí es entrando en la propiedad. Se ve allá adentro. You can see inside a little bit. I was hoping it'd be more private. Okay. Anyway, I don't know where I left off. My neighbor came to talk to me. So, okay, ahí hay una manera de a lo mejor en el futuro poder entrar. So maybe I can come in this way. There's a whole bunch of spots where I can come in. Okay. So anyway, I'm on the corner. I'm going to go into that area where we just cleaned out. We spent 3 days cleaning. Okay, so this is the sand road. I go down 480 feet. I know, Jarrell, you've seen this already, but just for Lewis's sake. So anyway, it's a whole bunch of stuff in there. We're cleaning it out pretty damn good. Okay, so anyway, I'm just going to show the front. And then now I'm going to come into that little spot there. That looks like a driveway. Okay, here's our basic entrance right now. I actually started to pull in with the motorhome, but I didn't want to get stuck. I couldn't do what I wanted to do. We just cleaned all that out. But over here to the left, it's another little clearing where somebody did something, and which is another option of being able to go in and making a loop around. But anyway, this is where I'm going. So we spent in here 3 days cleaning out. Okay, all this was full. Okay, you couldn't walk where I'm walking right now. So all this is cleared out. I'm gonna get somebody to haul that away. So this is already plenty of room here to do a lot more than I'm doing now, and we haven't even begun getting into the property. I'm gonna try to leave a good 10-15 feet or more of thickness for growth, because I want as much privacy as I can. Okay, as you can see, you can bleed through, but it's awesome, man, because it gets just enough sunlight in here, but yet it's always shade too in most areas. So still got to do a lot of cleaning in there. It's probably just like what you see we did. Okay, that's what that used to look like, pretty darn much. Okay, used to look like that, and now it looks like this. Some beautiful trees. Okay, see this nice beautiful oak tree here. Fucking beautiful canopies, man. Beautiful. This goes down. Okay, more beautiful trees back there. Okay, and you can't buy these trees, man. These are hundreds, many years of growing here. There's some beautiful trees all back in here. All these trees that you see back here, that's all my property. Okay, there's 2 acres back here in an L shape, and I just met the owner. This is a pile of everything we've packed, and this goes back to the swamp. And I'm going to walk to the edge of my property, which is right here. Okay, so that tree is in my property. That roadway that you see is not my property technically. but it is my property to use because the guy's not doing anything with it. Okay, it's been here forever, and as long as I don't shoot his duck, I can do whatever I want. So anyway, I'm going to keep the trees. Okay, I'm going to clean out all the vines, so you'll be able to see through a little bit, but still be a nice little screen, so to say. And this right here comes down. I actually didn't realize it. I'm going to clean all this up. Okay, goes down in there, and that's the swamp. Okay, so this is my back view here. Okay, there's some houses way back there, but rocking and rolling, man. This is my yard. Okay, see the RV out back, so you can see a little bit through the trees here. But this is my home. Now this goes way back in here, so all this property back there, it's all mine. Like I say, 480 feet back and probably about 100 and some feet wide of that 480, plus all of this out to the road.